In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use VR on Assetto Corsa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Assetto Corsa in virtual reality is extremely simple. You will be able to do this as long as you have your VR headset connected to your PC, laptop, or any other device running Assetto Corsa. Alongside this, you also need the Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. So to begin, the very first thing that I recommend that you download is going to be your VR application of choice. In this example, I'm showing a MetaQuest 3 headset. So in this case, you would download the MetaQuest Link app. But if you have a different model of headset, then you will download their application instead. Check the manual or do research if you are unsure. So for Meta, look for the MetaQuest Link app and download it here. And like I said before, regardless of the headset that you are using, you also need Content Manager. This is a custom launcher which is going to introduce virtual reality into Assetto Corsa. So once you have both of the tools downloaded, to begin, connect your VR headset to your PC. This can be confirmed and properly done through the app. So open the Link app, go over to Devices, tap the option to add a headset, and then select your Quest headset of choice. Once you have it selected, you will have two main options. You can either use a link cable, which is essentially a high-quality USB-C cable, so you plug one end into the headset, usually at the side, and the other one into your PC running any game, or you do AirLink, which is through a wireless connection. So as long as you have all devices on the same wireless network, it is up to you. In order to confirm that it is working, you can look at the headset and the QuestLink option should have popped up. Now, inside of Content Manager, open it up, go to the settings, and in here, make sure that rendering mode is set to Oculus Rift. As long as you have it set to Oculus Rift, it is essentially VR ready. So now ensure that the Quest headset or any other VR headset was properly connected to the PC, initialize Quest Link, and you will be good to go as soon as you start in Assetto Corsa. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.